network-able world. It comes with 3000 milliamp battery and high power performance efficiency, which gives you a guaranteed endurance time usage of minimum of 6 hours. Special design for automatic voltage adjustment between 100 to 240 volts and avoid unstable voltage. Quad-core CPU with 1 terabyte hard disk ensure you got enough space for storage. Also, it supports Bluetooth with 2 USB 3.0 ports, 1 HDMI